Hello everyone. Sri Ganeshaya Namaha, Sri Swami Samarthaya Namaha. Welcome to Guide Margadarshak's YouTube channel. To find out your daily horoscope from your zodiac sign of the 12 zodiac signs based on the lunar zodiac on Thursday, August 12th, 2021. Zodiac sign will be auspiciously fruitful. Be sure to subscribe to your Margadarshak's YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get the latest updates, and don't forget to like and share. So let's get started. 12th August, Thursday, Aries. Today will be a mixed day for you. Today you will spend a good time with your loved ones. The long pending work is also likely to be completed today. You will get time to make long-term plans. You will also correct your past mistakes. Whatever you say at this time, say it very carefully. Avoid taking hasty decisions at workplace. Income remains constant, but expenses will also remain. You may have some health problems. Try to maintain a good family atmosphere. Today's lucky color is white. Taurus. Today you have a bright day. Your efforts will give you the expected result. If you are in the mood to achieve something more than usual, then this day is for it. You won't be disappointed. You are becoming increasingly popular socially as well as professionally, and garnering everyone's trust and support. Everyone will speak and think more about your commitment and ability. Today's lucky color is green. Gemini. An auspicious and progressive day awaits you. Along with your daily work, you will also be able to deal with your professional issues. You will form an emotional connection with a person or feel the need for it. This is a good day to discuss issues like partnership or marriage. Along with this, selling anything on this day will be profitable. Today's lucky color is magenta. Cancer. This period provides mixed effects. You will have new opportunities and will get benefits by using them. Today, business and financial gains are possible, but disturbances in family life and disputes over property matters will keep you under constant stress. You may need to take extra care of your own health. You may suffer from some minor ailments affecting the eyes or ears. Today's lucky color is lavender. Leo. You will make excellent progress in your field of work. You can get benefits from your friends, and government officials can help you. Your earning will increase a lot in the coming days, and you will benefit from various sources. New acquisitions are also possible. Your spouse and children will be a source of happiness, although your mother's health may suffer slightly. Advancements in your social status and increase in your popularity is possible. Today's lucky color is yellow. Virgo. You are a kind leader and a social person to the people around you. However, today you should spend more time between your home and family. With this, you will be able to leave behind the possibilities of discord in the family. Don't be overly optimistic today and try to be cautious. Despite the rapid progress today, you need to move slowly and work systematically. You must be disciplined. Today's lucky color is golden. Libra. Today you can get many benefits, but if you look for easy ways to make money, you are only inviting bad chances. You can make good profit from business activities. You should be careful in financial matters. If your planning is faulty, then relations with your business partner may become bitter. Today, love can enter the life of unmarried people. Today is a favorable day to improve relations with relatives. Family life will remain the same. Today's lucky color is red. Scorpio. Your name and fame will increase, and you may get bountiful benefits from influential people. Some of you may get promotions. Your confidence will increase, and your popularity in the social circle may reach an all-time high. You may have some expensive acquisitions which will improve your lifestyle and improve your image. Family life will remain the same. You may have some health problems related to nerves. Today's lucky color is silver. Sagittarius. Employed people are advised to spend with a little restraint. A new vehicle may be bought by some of the natives. Today it will be auspicious to spend more time with your family. This can end mutual differences in this business context. In this business context, a dual role may have to be played. Contact can be established with some important people who can give very auspicious results in future. Today's lucky color is brown. Capricorn. There will be positive and helpful development at workplace. You look forward to profit. The long pending desired work will be completed. If you are willing to go abroad, then you will put forward your efforts. The results of the examination will be in your favor. Family relations will be pleasant and there are signs of promotion or betterment for someone in the family. You will get peace of mind by going on a religious pilgrimage. Children will be proud of you. Today's lucky color is pistachio green. Aquarius. Today, good profit is possible on the financial front. You will be involved in many activities in this space. People related to marketing, media, etc. may have to travel. New contacts will also be beneficial, which will prove beneficial in future. Business persons will leave their competitors far behind. There is a positive phase for the sale and purchase of land, vehicle, etc. You will enjoy a happy married life, but the health of some of your close people may cause you concern. Today's lucky color is maroon. Pisces. You will display polite and generous nature today. You will get appreciation at workplace. Your hard work will be appreciated. Even though you give utmost importance to your family, this intention will be affected. Due to the need to work for long hours, you must find a way to balance professional and personal life to avoid any conflict. Today's color is sky blue. Be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to this video. Have a good day today. Thank you. Shri Swami Samartha.